Welcome to the FA Auto Reviews. The GMC 3500 Limo is redefining what it means to travel in style and comfort. This isn't just a limousine, it's a statement on wheels. Built on the heavy-duty GMC 3500 platform, this limo combines rugged durability with a sophisticated, high-end passenger experience. From the outside, it commands attention with its stretched chassis, custom bodywork, and bold presence. The grille is distinctively GMC, and the extended frame carries an elegant profile without losing that heavy-duty toughness. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that rivals luxury lounges. Premium leather seating, customizable ambient lighting, and high-grade materials create an atmosphere that feels exclusive and refined. Every seat is designed for maximum comfort, with ample legroom and features like reclining functions and individual climate controls. The limo is fitted with a state-of-the-art entertainment system that includes large screens, surround sound, and connectivity options for streaming or presentations, making it ideal for both celebrations and executive travel. What's impressive is how GMC managed to retain the power and performance of the 3500 platform despite the size increase. Under the hood, the limo is powered by a robust V8 engine, delivering the strength needed to move this extended body smoothly and efficiently. The ride quality is enhanced by an upgraded suspension system tailored to manage the extra weight while ensuring passengers feel minimal bumps on the road. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Advanced driver assist features, such as lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and multiple camera views are integrated to help maneuver this large vehicle with confidence. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the GMC 3500 Limo feels surprisingly stable and controlled. For those who need luxury, space, and performance wrapped in one package, the GMC 3500 Limo delivers. Whether for weddings, corporate events, or VIP transportation, it provides a level of class and capability that few limos can match. Enjoy your journey and subscribe, and click the bell icon.